The first center activity is very physically and verbally interactive. It's a level 1 activity, and it asks students to go out to the playground in groups with a guardian and find various flowers, berries, or other natural plants and describe how the particular plant appeals to their senses, whether it be sight, scent, or touch. And also remind the students not to eat anything they find on the playground and try not to pick any flowers or plants. Just point to them or find things that are already on the ground. The aim is to get students to be able to effectively communicate by expanding their vocabulary and improving their syntax, and hopefully the descriptions of the berries in the story will help them build on this. This activity is a bit more advanced. It's a level 2 activity, and it's going to ask students to put major events and subordinate details into sequential order, and then talk about how the events support the presiding theme of the story. This activity is a level 3 activity, and this is because it requires additional work on the student's part. Each student will read another Joseph Bruchac story of their choice, and then complete a compare and contrast chart between the two stories. This activity is especially effective with Joseph Bruchac because he maintains a theme of Cherokee folklore in his stories, which will allow students to draw more in-depth thematic comparisons as opposed to superficial ones. Both of these templates from the second and third activities were retrieved from Cedar Ridge Elementary. The final activity is tailored to English language learning students. This activity requires students to use information from the first strawberries and tie it into their own culture to compose a new story that explains natural phenomena in a folk legend manner. This combines reading comprehension, cultural understanding, English proficiency, and creativity.